In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix YouTube not working on a Wi-Fi. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is reset your Wi-Fi connection with airplane mode. For that, launch your control center. Now here you're going to find this airplane mode, toggle on for it, wait for a few seconds and then disable it. This might resolve the issue. Next up, forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. For that, launch settings. Then click on the option Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget this network, wait for a few minutes and then reconnect to it. Next, try a different Wi-Fi network. You can use another home network or a mobile hotspot from another device. Once connected, launch YouTube and check if it works. Now let's make sure your internet connection is actually working. Open another app that requires internet access such as Instagram or another video streaming app. Try watching a few videos or reels. If videos don't load in other apps either, then your internet connection is likely the problem. Restart your router. Next up, check for YouTube app updates. For that, navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for YouTube. If you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check the server status of YouTube. For that, launch your preferred browser, type in YouTube server status. Head over to the website Down Detector. Now, if you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be restored from the end. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your YouTube should work on Wi-Fi. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.